Oh, there's a fucking bug on my dash. Motherfucker. Get out of here. So I'll let you guys know what happened in this video. A buddy of mine, Alex, got a Mitsubishi Evo 10 and a videographer named Mikey Flynn. He just did, if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Because that's where I post a lot of what's going on. I post every day on Instagram if you guys don't know. So if you haven't, it's up on the screen. Follow me. So throughout the whole video, this is what, from like play-by-play, we went to a parking garage, got some videos, then we go over to the boat docks and get some rollers. I didn't film any of that because I was driving with Mikey in the back trunk. He was filming, so I had to concentrate, go on the same speed, making sure I was steady. So that was that. And at the end, we go to the train tracks where you'll see the ending of the video, of course, and that's where it all ended. That's where we got some pictures. We did some more little cinematic parts of the car sitting still because the area and location looked better than the parking garage. So that's just what we did. I just wanted to say this before we get into the video because I didn't pick up the camera. I didn't say like, hey, we're doing this, we're doing that. I just kind of filmed what was going on, like when it was going on. Evo versus STI. Come on. I am. I haven't even opened it up yet. You need one of these, fucker?
Like I said, I haven't done this in forever, so I'm probably gonna be a dumbass right now. Are you gonna?
Well, first off,
are you gonna put it on?
You want to make sure to press this down. Can you see that?
Yeah. I'm saying, will that fit in the corner? Yeah. Go for it. Actually, that'll work perfect. That way I can still roll it down the window and not have any worries at all.
If it messes up, I got more.
Okay.
Look, man, I don't mess up. Oh, fuck, I messed up. Oh, yeah.
Wise words of Bird.
Such precision, such accuracy.
Step 3.
Well, I guess step 2 is laying it. Shit. Step 3 is when you press it on there, right? You want to make sure it's nice and crisp. No air bubbles. We're not about that bubble life. We ain't no bubble buddy. This ain't SpongeBob. No pressure. Did you say pressure?
No pressure. You got this. Come on, man. Rip it off. How many guys are again?
What?
He'll enjoy that.
I would.
It's okay, Bird. Just don't fuck up the rest.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, that edit music. I see that.
Like, extreme. You better say please. Here you go. I love you too. Yeah.
No?
Almost had it. Alex, tell the vlog what's going on. I probably look like a mess.
So, finally getting a video done for my car, even though I just got it. But, you know, this is just a start video.
It's stock, but it's pretty.
Exactly.
And this is like the before.
This is the before.
There won't be an after.
Give me a good year, 2 years. The after, that will be a totally different car. I promise you.
America. Oh shit. Nice ice crunch. I really hoped I got that on camera. Violators will be prostituted. Yay. You a whole cutie. And so are you. This place is cool. This is the old family railroad.
Met Maggie.
That's Maggie?
That's Maggie?
Yeah. Maggie, a whole cutie.
Back in the career.
Cop car, whoop whoop, you're gone.
Dude, yeah, we passed him just one cop. We come back, 4.
I know, I couldn't believe that. Huh?
We're in LA.
That undercover cop. I was like, oh no!
He was like,
I saw it as soon as I turned. I was like, fuck, Bert, don't do it. And then you did it. I was like, no.
he's really like, I saw those 2 cars before him, just go.
Well, cause like, okay, so I saw him, and I was just going slow, like, and as soon as I popped the hill, I was gone. I was like, I'm not staying. Nuh-uh. Not happening. So yeah, I think I hit like 70, and I saw you were like going forward. I was like, damn, he's flying.
Let me just show you the snap. Let me show you this fucking snap. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. No idea where I'm going.
Oh, it just started recording. I feel you.
Oh, yeah, Dad.
Oh God. Sorry, Mike. Oh, what? Okay.
Oh.
They look like they could be on like a reality TV show or some shit.
What fucking reality TV show you trying to watch?
The one where he plugs your butthole.
Come on, you're touching my lady, huh? No, I'm touching.
Oh fuck.
He's done videoing for now. So he's just gonna help me get some
God damn,
good
you're
shots
close.
in, good background. So I like trains, so it's a good background for me.
No, fuck.
So yeah, we're gonna try and get that all worked out. I trust this man. This man, Mikey.
You don't know that I like train skiing?
Literally.
Bye, vlog. After we left that last scene, we went to eat at Steak and Shake. Alex and I went to the gym. I went to Walmart, got some groceries because I need breakfast in the morning before I go to work because I don't want to starve. So yeah, that's been the day. That's been what happened in the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and again, follow my Instagram because that's important. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.